Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the PayPal refund not received. So in these situations, the first thing that you'll need to immediately do is verify the status in your activity feed. Just head into the activity feed inside of your PayPal account and make sure that you refresh it and try to see if the refund has been received. Now, normally completing a refund generally takes 1 to 5 business days, but in terms of credit cards, it takes about 30 days. If still pending, you'll need to wait for 5 days if yours is not through a credit card. Also, if you wait out for 5 days and you're still having issues or having refunds for PayPal, then you'll need to check with your bank and contact your bank for any sort of issues. Also, if contacting your bank does not work, then lastly, you'll need to contact the customer support or call the PayPal support team. Once you do these steps and indeed contact support team of PayPal and report a problem, you should be able to get that refund back. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.